Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a React.js app using Vite. Vite is a platform agnostic front-end tool for building web applications quickly and solve some common developer headaches. First thing first, you need to check if you have Node installed on your computer. In this case, I have. If you don't have, don't worry. You go to nodejs.org under downloads and select your operating system. Click on the download button and follow the steps. After that, you go back to your terminal and type npm install -g create Vite to create it globally. Open VS Code and type npm create Vite latest. Hit enter, yes to proceed. Then we give it a project name, Vite demo, and then we choose the framework, in this case React, and for the language, just JavaScript, and done. Vite created the React.js project for us. Now we open the React.js project in VS Code. Here's the basic React.js project using Vite. Before we start, we type npm I or npm install to install the project dependencies that are declared in the package JSON and to create the node modules folder. Once done, type npm run dev. Vite will start the React.js app in the port 5173. Here's our Vite and React.js app. That's how we create a React.js with Vite.